Many people lose money before they even begin because they trust one uncle or business partner to handle things. Welcome back to Bashwan Talks. Today, we are going to talk about something that can either make or break your success, and that topic is planning. You know the popular saying, he who fails to plan, plans to fail. That's why today I'm showing you how to properly plan your business and avoid costly mistakes. Your business plan is your roadmap. It helps you avoid wahala like sudden transport costs, delayed payment, or buying a commodity you can't even sell. Nigeria is filled with trial and error businessmen, but your own approach must be different. Take Tunde from Ogun State, for example. He rushed into maize trading without a plan. Before he knew it, hidden costs swallowed his profit and buyers, delayed payments. After my mentorship, planned his logistics, structured his finances, and today he is one of the top maize suppliers in Lagos. This is the power of proper planning. Now let's break it down step by step. First step is do your market research. Know your commodity. If you don't know what is hot and what's not, you will just be gambling. Some commodities make sense for local trade. Others are gold for export. Maize, for example, is perfect for animal feed. Sesame, exporters they find out. Ginger, China and India, they don't joke with it. Know your buyers. Are they wholesalers, processors or exporters? And how do you stand out? If you're just another random trader with nothing special, buyers will price you anyhow. Be like Ngozi from Enugu, one of my mentees. She studied palm kernel market very well, realized that prices went up during scarcity, and she started buying cheap in harvest to sell when demand increased. That is how sharp traders operate. Second step is budget and financial projections. No guesswork. Your budget must include cost of commodities. How much do you need to start? Logistics and storage, warehousing, security, all this is money. Road gifts for uniformed officers. Yes, make I no lie, police and customs, they will collect their share. Budget them. And when doing financial projections, be realistic. Don't plan with fake profit expectation. If you break even or make a little extra, then a big win. The third step, choosing a suitable location where you set up shop matters. Rural areas, cheap supply, but higher transport cost. Urban centers, easier sales, but more competition. Don't start business in proxy. Many people lose money before they even begin because they trust one uncle or business partner to handle things. Confirm everything yourself in the location. The fourth step is business registration. Play the big league. Too many traders behave like subsistence farmers. You they trade millions, but your business no even get name. My brother, my sister, register your business. Make your business legit. Export licenses. If you want international deals, this is a must. Ibrahim from Kaduna was just doing sesame seed trade hustle until I advised him to register his business and get an export license. Not long after, he landed a major sesame export deal to Turkey. Finally, make this year your year of smart trading. My people, agriculture trading is big business when done right. Planning is your first step towards success. Don't enter the game anyhow or with anyhow mindset. Here's how to take the next step. Download my ebook. It's your first ticket to a structured, profitable agriculture trading. Plus, as a bonus, you get to book a strategy call with me. Let's discuss your business one-on-one, map out your game plan, and position you for success. Also, feel free to join our WhatsApp community. This is where we share real-time market updates, business tips, and help each other grow. Subscribe, like, and share this video. If this content helped you, don't enjoy alone. Let your fellow hustlers see too. Drop your thoughts in the comments. What aspect of planning do you struggle with the most? I will be reading and responding. Until next time, thank you.